Hi guys, and welcome back to Vic's Creative. In this video I'm going to be making this Fokker Dr.1 triplane, or the Red Baron, from Revell. So I'm going to open it and see what's inside it. So it comes with the decals, it comes with some instructions, these are just safety things, instructions, and then 2 sheets of plastic parts. So I'm going to start by doing number 1, getting pieces 1, 2, and 3. So I'll cut them off now. The numbers are on these corner things. So now I'm going to glue, and to do that, first I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue just on the space you're working, because then some comes out and you know how much is coming out. And now I'm carefully going to start first doing this part, because the chair needs to be connected. And then I'm just going to put the pin that's on the chair through here. And I'm just going to lift it up to do that. Okay, so I've got the chair on. Now I'm just going to do the other parts as well. So there are a lot of seams, and they don't look nice when you paint it. So with the knife, you just have to scrape them off, sort of, once the glue has dried, and then the seams will slowly disappear, because the glue has made them connect. You just have to take away the line, and when you've painted it, it will look nicer. So now I'm just going to carry on with the instructions. So I've only finished the first page, and it's already starting to take its final shape. Now I'm going to do the next 2 pages. So, yeah, I'm going to do that now. So now I'm going to be connecting the engines to the plane, but I need some parts to spin so that the propeller can spin. So I'm going to need to carefully do that, and the part that will be connecting it will be a pin, and it's part number 22, so this one. So I'll just cut it off. Yeah. Now that I've cut it off, need to carefully figure out how this works. Then I think you connect this to that. Yeah, so you connect this to that then. And then the propeller will be able to spin. So I'll glue it now. So I've glued it now, and now I'm just going to glue this part into this hole here. So I'll do that now. Okay, so I'm going to start painting it now before I put on the propeller, because the propeller is a completely different color and it would be quite hard to paint it when it was already on it and they were two different colors. So I'm going to start with just putting these two red colors on it. So yeah, I'll do that now. So I've got this darker red, and with a paper towel, I'm just going to dab on some of it to give some texture to the cloth of this plane. So one of the hardest parts of making a model kit is the decals. So I'll show you how to do that. And basically what I do is I cut out the ones I want to put on. And then I put them in water for like a couple of seconds and make sure they are covered. And then I take them out and wait a few minutes, and then they'll just be able to slip off and go onto the airplane. I'll show you that then. And a good way of checking is if the numbers are like wobbly, you can move them around, then it's good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at the diagram. So this is the diagram, and just see exactly where to put them. And then I'll just put my finger where I want it, and then slip away the paper. And then you can wobble it around to make it to put it in exactly the right spot. So now I'm done, and this is the grand reveal. I'm really happy with this model, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It's a very small click, and it means a lot to me. So please do. Thanks for watching!